storm. The wind is blowing extremely crazy. Stopped out here at the dollar store. The whole fucking lights went out over here. The whole fucking lights went out on the block too. Over here, Highway 10. The Family Dollar. We were about to hit the gym, but not right now because of the fucking storm. All right, people, we're gonna strap up. We're gonna strap up our fucking seat belt, and we're gonna record. Swear to God, the whole block, the lights fucking went out, man. The whole fucking block of lights in the area went out. Check that out. Dude, man, it's fucking crazy. You know me, I'm a fucking thrill seeker. I like to record dangerous shit and crazy shit because I am a crazy motherfucker. Right here on Highway 10, the whole fucking street lights went out. We have no lights. I think hell is coming because there's a lot of cars who are parked underneath a fucking gas station. There might be some hell coming, so I don't want to damage my car. So the best thing for me right now is to go underneath a QT or a gas station because I'm starting to hear a little hail hitting my car. I'm not scared of nothing, man. I don't give a shit. But for the sake of my car, I'm gonna have to stop at a QT and go underneath a protected, secure location so my car won't get fucking hit with hail. So we had a QT right now. It's filled up. God damn it. It's filled up and everybody's already parked underneath. I hope it don't hail, man. And I think there's a garage over here. I'm gonna go underneath. So the fucking gas station is full, so I can't go underneath. But what I am gonna do is gonna try to creep up on here in these apartments. Not apartments, but I think I saw a garage in here where it has a inside garage, so I could park underneath. It's not too much hail, but it's like a few I heard a couple of hits on my car. Like small hail, not too much. But there's a garage under here, and you can hear it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go underneath here. Cause I don't wanna fuck up my car with all the hail. So we're gonna go underneath this garage. Right here. There's a fucking idiot. Get in there. Hurry up, bitch. Move. Okay, here we go. We're gonna park under here. So now we're good. So we good. We don't have to worry about any damage to the car. So I'm not about to pay no fucking insurance on hail damage. So my best bet is to stay under here. All right. It's crazy. Father's Day. Strong wind. Heavy rain. Moderate, little bit of hail.